guys, so we're back, and I'm also back with a code. Great news. Anyways, wait a sec, wait. Some things don't make sense. Does everything make sense? Well, not in this game. Okay. Play. Okay. There. Why is my chair so dirty? Like, okay, wait, let me just. I'm doing some stuff in real life. Like, I'm cleaning up, I'm dusting up my chair. It's very dirty. Okay, wait, let me open the window. There we go. Now I can start. And I also need to increase my brightness. There we go. Celebrate. Trophy collection for breakfast. I have lots of trophies. What's the one inside of this lad? Okay, whatever. Half good breakfast. Yes. We were on the journey on creating different types of breakfasts. Huh? Why is it cut out? Game by throws. Something like that. How to play. What on the screen? Okay. So I'm just gonna take some cash there. Take the cash in that room real quick. Okay. Gun. Oh, no. I'll not take the gun, I guess. Did I get a toothpaste ending? I don't know. Okay. So, just get all these Bobucks running around, laying around. So what's the difference from Robux and Bobucks? Like, I'm a little bit confused here. Did Robux come from Bobucks or did Bobucks come from Robux? And I learned my lesson from the sandwich. It really works. Okay, hon, I know it really works. Okay, I have an idea. What if... Okay, wait. Never mind, don't wait. Oh, hey, it's pretty fast. Oh, whatever. Ooh. Let's go outside. Oh. No, go outside. Get some money. Let me guess on the money over here. I bet there's also some on the bench. The thing is, I've been really slacking off on posting these days. Yeah, okay, whatever. Let me just... Yeah, okay. Take the months. I need to take the months. Placing it right here, okay. I need to take the months. This is my card, cashier. Okay. You know, guys, I heard that there's also an ending where you egg the cashier's car. I just realized last video when I was in the thumbnail for last video, I accidentally put the name as Get a Snack at 4 a.m. instead of Get a Snack at 4 a.m. SNACCORE. Oh, I have to hurry. Y'all, I have to hurry. Okay, listen up. What am I supposed to be? Okay, what if a cola? Okay, a cola. Oh, I forgot to buy it. That's just amazing. I'm sorry for making you guys wait. I already got the shoplifting in there. And shoplift. Should buy the item first. Oh, what is going on? What happened to the floor? Why is it filled with a bunch of notes? I am going to try my best to read them. Oh wait, I cannot read them. What is even going on here? I'm so confused. That's just great. This is why you do not talk and gameplay while walking, children. Yeah, my phone is fine. Whatever. Anyways, my phone is invincible. Don't jinx it. Seriously, what is going on? What happened to the floor? What is going on? What? I'm so confused right now. What is happening? What is happening? Oh my. Oh my. Dear God. Oh gosh. What is happening? What is going on? What's going on? There are notes if you're wondering if you are not looking at the video, then please do, because a lot of stuff is happening. I just want to look at the floor. Just look at the floor. See? What happened here, huh? Dude, what's happened here, bro? What happened here? Okay, let's just put this one in. But just look at the floor. I just wanted to look at it. Excuse me. What? And then sugar rush. Oh, it was already discovered. Wait, did I just waste that paper? I just wasted that paper thing. I wasted it. Huh? Same. What if I turn on my switch? You know what happens if I turn on the light switch in my day at school? Yay, I got a new ending. Unofficial ending. Wake up dialed. What do you mean by unofficial end? I'm so confused right now. But hey, I got it. Bruh, it's unofficial. Hey, that thing switched places, that's new. 35.5. 4 a.m. Stack. Okay. I need to buy something. I am going to get some milk. And good thing I'm female. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, okay, I'm a little confused. Okay, I have learned my lesson from the sandwich. Let's take the boba real quick. Please do not put student. I already did that. What happens if I pick up orange? Did I already get the annoying orange ending? I don't remember. Alright, so going outside. Such a big accomplishment. I seriously feel like egging the cashier's car. I just feel like egging it, okay? I feel like egging cashier's car. Okay, let me get this thing. No, it. There we go. buy it. The milk costs. She talked to me again to buy it. Okay, talk. Thanks. Huh? What? Oh no, never mind. You can't go there. Once again, I thought you could go there, but no. The game is not gonna let you break its rules just like that. Let's go. Put the milk there. And now I'm gonna insert the Pepsi Cola. And I'll be polite about it by choosing the fridge. Insert item. Let's pray that I did not get this ending before. Come on. Yay! I mean, not really. Well, boxing go around that. Yeah. Yeah, I did try Pilk that one time actually. Pepsi and milk. No. Oh wait, no, I did not try it. I just heard of it. I did not try Pilk. I just heard of it. Yes, I got 6 of them. But how are there so many more? Okay. Let me get the muns real quick. I need to get a muns. I got the muns. Wait, I need to get more muns. Just go outside and get some money real quick. Oh hey, there's a few stars there. That's nice. It's raining. Wait. It's raining. That's new. It's raining. I did not know this game could rain. That's very new actually. Let's go there. And let me get this. The muns. Let me get the muns. Oh, just getting to